Hi everyone. We're going to take a look at the intro to Surfin USA for the baritone players. Now again, this is one of the songs that we've tried to get the ukuleles to start, but this is playable on the baritone, and we're going to take a look at that. Now the run itself, there's two ways to play it, and we're going to go through both of them to show you. What it basically is based off of is a movable chord, and the movable chord would be the E form. And if you move that E form, you'd have an E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp or B flat, B, all the way to C. Okay, so with your ring finger up on the 10th fret with that shape, you have a C. And that is what this is based off of. Okay, when the ukuleles play it, they're playing it from here. If you capoed your baritone uke, they're playing it like this, and that's how they play it. We're going to be in the exact same range as the ukulele, and we have to be to catch that lowest note. Okay, so this is where it's built off of. So let's take a look at this. There's two ways to play this. One, we need to pick up this note right here. Okay, there's two places to play it. You'll notice on the chart you can play it on the 3rd string, 5th fret, or you can play it on the 10th on the 4th string, okay, which is part of that movable shape. I started out liking this better, but I think this is actually a little more feasible up here. So you can play it whichever way you want, and I'll show you what the difference is. Okay, if you play it from here, you have to make a jump, and you have to start with this, and then to get that little slide, 8 to 9, you have to take with your middle finger here, and you've got to make quite a little stretch, and you gotta like that. And notice we're dropping into that shape. You don't actually need the 4th string to play that like this. Like that. Boom. Is what we're playing, okay? All played off of this here with the ring finger actually going to be playing the 2nd string also up here on the 10th fret, okay? You've already got the 8th barred like that, okay? So once we make the move, we're playing with these 3 strings right here. Just like that. And again, when I play this, I go on and assign my fingers out, just like in a finger picking pattern. Anytime I'm playing the 1st string, my middle finger is playing those notes, index is covering the 2nd, thumb is covering the 3rd string like that, okay? So you'll notice. Just like that. Now, the option is to play it from the full movable shape, which I actually think is easier. Starting with your ring finger, when you've played the C up here, starting with this 10th fret, now you get to use your middle finger to do a much easier slide. You don't have this spread and jump. Still a little bit of a spread. You have to kind of back up a bit to get you into that same spot. So other than this note or this note, the rest of the run is the same. So played from the 10th, and I just think that's a simpler move than this, but you can play it either way. Now let's set a metronome up. We're going to set this at 60, very slow. We're going to be playing on the 8th notes, okay? So it's going to be, it starts on 1, 2, 3, bum, 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 right from there, okay? So here's what it sounds like. I'm going to use the 10th fret right now. 1 and 2 and 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Now let's go down and I'll go on and use this third string, 5th fret. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like that, okay? So as you can see, other than playing the 5th fret on the 3rd string to start, or the 10th on the 4th string, same note, the rest of the run is the same. Just like that, okay? So I hope that makes sense. And again, I always wanted to play it from the 5th fret here on the 3rd string to start, but I really think that starting it from this 10th fret on the 4th string, and I let my thumb pick both those notes. It picks this and the slide like that. So the thumb is going to play the 4th string and the 3rd, but I think that's a much easier run to play. Just like that. All right, hope you enjoy that.